going on, man? Me and my boys, we at the city. Feel me? Me and my son Dom. Yo, Dom, get in this.
We out here in NYC.
NYC, going to Manhattan. Times Square. Also, Clean Culture is coming tonight at 8 o'clock.
You out to the Clean Culture meet?
Hell yeah. I didn't even know Ketchum was gonna be out here in my old high school. Literally everybody out here.
Now you good?
Everybody.
That's what every season.
From Ketchum. A whole school trip. About to get some cinematic shots, some photo shoots. You know what I mean? What's going on? Alright, so where's the first place we're going? Bathroom?
Yeah, well, we gotta take a photo.
Huh?
Ain't no recording in there.
Yeah, ain't no recording in the bathroom.
Walks in there with a fucking big ass camera. What the?
Yo, I wish I had the whole squad here, bro. That would be so lit.
Me, you, Ben, fucking Adam, Shad, like
everybody.
James, Vaughn,
Jared.
There's so many people to name, bro. Like, it's not even a squad, bro. It's a whole family.
It's a whole fams. My son with the 392. That's
that's like which one is boy? Other guys, what about you guys, photos?
Hellcat? Where's the Subi? Where's the Subi?
Hey, it's lit.
I can't hear you guys. I can't hear you. What?
Woo! Maserati? Hit that, hit that, hit that. As y'all can see, bro, clean culture has definitely arrived at NYC. Oh, that's my man right here. There's gonna be more. Woo! Yo! Get your phone out.
Alright, so you pulling up?
I can't go.
Big C out here, yo.
You know, shout out to my nigga DZ.
You know the vibe, bro. Out there. Big time square back. Yeah, I mean, you know, wild out a little bit. I wonder if I saw the flames just now when I did that shit. I mean, I'm gonna do it again. So try and see if you can catch the flames.
I got you.
I gotta do that. So I'm gonna give him some space.
What's going on, dog?
Yo, what's good, bro? How you?
I'm good, man.
Empire Boys?
Huh?
You with Empire Boys?
Nah, I'm not Empire.
No?
Nah. What's going on? What's up?
What's up?
What's
We're
going
in
on?
Times Square right now.
Yup.
A lot of shit going on right now.
We got clean culture here. That car group?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? You want to shout anything out? Any social media?
I am a YouTuber actually.
Word?
Gerard Andre is my YouTube channel.
Okay.
My Instagram, Gerard_Andre_. Follow
right.
me. I'm with
I'll
the
put
boy
that-
right
I'll
now.
put that down
I'm with
too.
the homie right now.
All right, dog.
I see you.
Get ready, yo. Get ready for this show right here,
warm.
bro.
Keep warm, bro.
Come on. Go crazy, DZ!
Actually,
All right, so
never mind.
as you guys can see,
We gotta go mad far that.
them boys were going crazy,
We got
crazy.
half a mile walk that way.
Alright. The cops end up blocking off the roads, so they're not gonna make another circle around here. But it was still lit. Everybody still came through, and everybody lives dumb far, so at least it's better than nothing.
Yeah.
You could hear them too. They down there. We going straight?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was lit. But anyways, yo, shout out to my man DZ and everybody that's in clean culture, man. That was lit, bro. I live in Wappingers and I came all the way down here in the city just for these clean culture guys, bro. Want to get some good content with them.
We gotta take a left.
I support my brothers, man. Support.
We gotta take a left.
Supporters, supporters. Feel me? My camera's dying, so I'll vlog myself when I get back to the train. All right? So I see you guys in a minute.